GBP, the pound bulls are running wild as EU sources provide fresh Brexit hope and optimism. So, over the past few weeks, one of the big laggards for the pound has been the concerns regarding the stalemate between Britain and the EU with their talks, their trade talks, life after Britain leaves the EU come the end of this year. And, they seemingly were not making progress with their first few rounds of negotiations, really going nowhere. But some sources comments coming out today saying the EU are proposed to drop their maximalist position regarding fishery. So it's one of the barriers, okay? One of the barriers in which, these two were just colliding, hitting head on and not getting anywhere. Just the tone, a shift in tone, potentially them softening up a little bit, being more open-minded to some of Britain's requests, which is really, really bullish for GBP. Elsewhere, regarding the Bank of England, we had some comments out of BOE's chief economist Haldane. And Haldane essentially noted that the Bank of England has not yet formed a view, decisive view on negative rates, okay? Negative rates, again, this would be a GBP negative, but the fact that they haven't, yet remotely formed a view yet, as he said, decided on introducing negative rates, this is bullish for GBP for the time being, because remember, if we're cutting rates, that's a negative for a respective currency, particularly if we're looking at negative interest rates. That's real not good for GBP, but nevertheless, this is seen as positive. So those two things are really helping GBP rally. If we look at GU specifically, we're back to the highest levels seen in over 2 weeks, with further signs still of some upside. Also, the pound not just benefiting on those fundamental factors, but also the risk appetite that we're seeing in the markets, as Joel covered in the prior blog. You can check that out as well. Other than that, baby, real-time fundamental and technical updates are so important more than ever right now. Like fundamentals, staying on top of them. Guys, do not hesitate to check out our membership at freaknetwork.io. Click become a member and you get some great insight in that on that webpage as to what exactly we provide to you on a daily basis, getting you ready, geared up to catch some pips and of course some knowledge. Other than that, stay lit, let's get it.